Let's talk about the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency today. The price has exploded 100x in value within the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency. It's just a matter of time, guys. I'll show you that baby Dogecoin will create a burning mechanism that can greatly reduce the supply and will impact the price even more. Baby Dogecoin has been rising very strongly. I've already asked in the comments if you're investing in baby Dogecoin, how many baby Doge you have in your portfolio. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me a lot to keep bringing content here for you with new videos every day. Don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to keep bringing content. Guys, let's go. Baby Dogecoin has skyrocketed 200% in just 30 days. That's right, the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency launched on June 1st in June 2021. This wasn't just an ordinary coin launch. It generated significant buzz, becoming one of the largest communities in the crypto market. Baby Dogecoin has many investors and followers. What really put it in the spotlight was a tweet from Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO. Baby Doge little dog. After that, everyone became interested in the baby Dogecoin token. But it didn't stop there. When it was listed on Binance, a major platform for buying and selling digital currencies and the largest crypto exchange, its value soared 200%. It's no surprise that Elon Musk's mention played a significant role in this jump. So from the start, baby Dogecoin got this boost from Elon's tweet, along with the ongoing work that developers were doing over time with the baby Dogecoin cryptocurrency. Special in 2024, as I mentioned in videos before Binance listing, commenting that this year was crucial for baby Dogecoin proof, is it achieved the long-awaited, dreamed-of Binance listing in 2024. Baby Dogecoin contracts were announced. All buying, selling, and transfer fees for baby Dogecoin were zeroed out. Baby Dogecoin had a high 10% fee, opened futures markets on exchanges, got listed on Binance and others. So today, baby Dogecoin is the established crypto delivering various projects. The point I want to make is that 100x appreciation, a 10,000% increase for baby Dogecoin is just a matter of time, folks. Why? For baby Dogecoin to grow 100x, its market cap needs to increase 100 times, right? Baby Dogecoin's market cap is only $364 million. That's small in the crypto market, given its overall size. That's actually great. Why? Because it leaves room for significant growth, you know? There's potential for growth. If you look at cryptos with high market caps like $4 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion, or Dogecoin at $16 billion, for Dogecoin to grow 10x, its market cap would need to hit $160 billion, folks, so that's very unlikely. Here we're talking about $464 million. If baby Dogecoin reaches $5, $6 billion, it's already grown 10x. $1,000 becomes $10,000, $10,000 becomes $100,000. That's an incredible increase. The key point is that 100x growth is just a matter of time, especially considering baby Dogecoin's supply. Its total supply is 202.64 quadrillion tokens. So baby Dogecoin needs massive token burns to deliver even greater value increases. Strong potential, it could cut up to 3 zeros in the future. Yes, if baby Dogecoin can massively reduce its total supply and circulating supply, currently at 154.034 million tokens. If it reduces this drastically, baby Dogecoin could cut up to 3 zeros. Some laugh at cutting 1, 2, or 3 zeros. Of course, as I'm saying, cutting 3 zeros without burns isn't mathematically feasible. Cutting up to 2 zeros without burns is possible. Yes, cutting up to 2 zeros for baby Dogecoin without burns is viable. Cutting 3 zeros requires burns, just to emphasize this point. But things happen, folks. Looking at other cryptos in the market, bonk, over 12,000% gain. Pep cut many zeros, Flock cut many zeros, bonk, Dogecoin too. Shiba, why won't this happen to baby Dogecoin, one of the market's largest communities? Well, it could happen. It has room for strong growth, folks. Let me show you here, for example, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. Everyone knows it's the first meme coin in the market. It's a crypto that cut several zeros off its price early on. Look how many zeros Dogecoin had, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now it costs a cent, but back then it was 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 85. Shiba cut even more. Many cryptos did. So baby Dogecoin, by massively reducing its supply, could potentially cut up to 3 zeros in the future. The key point about this supply reduction is this. Looking at baby Dogecoin's Twitter, it has over 2.6 million followers. As I said, it's a very large community. Big news. Baby Dogecoin is launching a platform called pup.fan to compete with similar platforms in the market. Let's take a look at this project's idea. The new pup.fan platform from Baby Dogecoin. What's it about? Well, pup.fan, quote, as transaction fees will fuel the buyback and burning mechanism for Baby Dogecoin tokens. That's right, this platform will massively burn Baby Dogecoin tokens. It'll power the burning mechanism to reduce Baby Dogecoin's supply. This massive token burn will significantly decrease the circulating supply of Baby Dogecoin, reducing its overall supply in the market. This creates a supply and demand effect. You see, with fewer tokens available in the market, the price of Baby Dogecoin is likely to appreciate. This is why many cryptocurrencies aim to burn tokens. They launch token burning campaigns for this very reason. Fewer tokens in circulation can lead to higher prices, but the price is trending upwards, with Baby Dogecoin rising 5.81% today. In the past week, it's up over 57% on top of your capital. Imagine in just 1 week a 57% increase. This month it's up 217%. Over the past year it's risen 211%. Throughout this entire period, Baby Dogecoin has yet to break past its 2024 high. Even with the recent market surges, Baby Dogecoin hasn't broken its 2024 resistance level. Beyond that lie the 2023 and 2022 highs. So Baby Dogecoin still has significant room for growth. Look at the 2022 high, where Baby Dogecoin reached 0.0000000860. Today, Baby Dogecoin is at 0.0000000030, right? Back when Baby Dogecoin hit 0.0000000860, the market conditions were quite different. Guys, Baby Dogecoin was not yet listed on Binance. There were fewer investors. There were much fewer options for brokers for you to buy Baby Dogecoin here in the year 2022 when it reached its TEH around 8060. So from the moment it breaks its highs here, it can explode so much more. It can yield much more appreciation, guys. However, only those with a long-term vision will get to reap the fruits of the investor who has a long-term vision with this cryptocurrency, with Baby Dogecoin. Already leave there in the comments if you are accumulating more, if you are buying more Baby Dogecoin. But remember, always do your study just the same way. It can appreciate, it can also not appreciate. After all, we are talking about a very asymmetrical market that exists, which is the cryptocurrency market, which provides a great opportunity for strong appreciations, but also you can have a very large loss. Always do your studies with responsibility in mind. Many thanks to all of you, and until the next video.